for this. Okay. So let's begin. All right. So everybody, once again, welcome to our hybrid class. Okay, my name is Teacher Carla, and I will be teaching in Science Math M.3/2. So let's read our vocabulary, people. First one is muscular.
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 Spell, please.
M-U-S-C-U-L-A-R. Muscular.
Very good. Second word is immune.
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 Spell.
I-M-U-N-E. Immune.
Very good. The third word is tendons.
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 Spell.
T-E-N-D-O-N-S. Tendons.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to scramble the words and arrange it on the anagram, okay? So everybody, what is the first letter of muscular? M. What is next to M? Okay, let's get letter U. What is next to U? Okay, let's get letter S. What is next to S? Okay, let's get letter C. What is next to C? U. What is next to U? Okay. AR. Okay, very good. So that's how you spell muscular. Okay, the second word is immune. How do you spell immune? What is the first letter? I. Okay. What is next to I? M. How many M? Okay, so let's put M and another M. M and M. What is next to M? U-N-E. Okay, very good. Immune. And the last word is tendons. Okay, what is the first letter? T. Okay, let's get letter T. Next to T is? E. Okay. What is next? What is next to N? Okay. What is next to D? Right. And we got N and S. Okay, good job, everybody. So that's our dictation for today. Now let's get back to our topic in PowerPoint. Okay, so the question that we will answer is, what does our muscular system do? Everybody get your books. Get your books and open it on page number 8. The muscular system. Number 8. Okay. So the first bullet is, the muscles are attached to the bones. Everybody repeat after me. The muscles are attached to the bones.
The muscles are attached to the bone.
Okay. So we know that the bones are tough and hard, right? And muscles are very soft. Okay, so the muscles are attached with our bones. Okay. Next bullet, muscles contract and relax to cause movement of the body. Okay, the reason why our body is moving, it's because of the muscles are contracting and relaxing. Okay? Next, muscles work in pairs against each other. Okay? When you say pairs, how many? Two. Okay? So muscles are in two and they work against each other. Okay? You will see that on the next slide. But please underline and highlight in your book first. Okay? The 3 bullets. Highlight in your book. Underline and highlight in your book. Okay, next. Okay, look at this. Concentric contraction. So we know that muscles work in pairs, right? So one muscle contract and the other muscle is relaxing. Okay, look at the moving picture. Okay, so when we do like this, we are contracting. Okay? When our muscle is contracting, the muscles are shorter. When we are relaxing or relaxes, when we are relaxes or relaxing, the muscles are lengthens. The muscle lengthens. Okay? Again, what do you call this movement in muscle? Contract or relax? Contract. How about this? Relax. When muscles are contracts, is it shorter or lengthen? Shorter. When it relaxes? Lengthens. Okay, very good. Underline in your book. Underline in your book. Okay. So now let's move on to the tendons. Students, look at the screen. Okay, so this is the bones. These are the muscles. And this is the tendons. The white ones, these are the tendons. Okay, the tendons attach the muscles to the bones. Okay, the muscles, the tendons. The tendons attach the muscles to the bones. Okay. Okay, good morning, online students. Please change your name to English name. Okay. So, again, what is tendons? What is tendons? Number 15. Kitipom. Okay, very good. Where is the muscles attached? Number 18. Where is the muscles attached? Okay, very good. Number 3, patumket. Patumket, muscles work in pairs, right? How do it work against each other? Can you explain? Patumket, where are you? Number 3. What do you call this? How the muscles work together? Okay, can you please help her? Can you please help him, Gerard? Gerard, can you please help? Where is Gerard? Gerard. How the muscles work together? The muscles work in pair against each other, right? How does it work? When muscles contract and one muscle contracts, it's shorter. How about the other muscle? Okay, very good. So that's how it works, okay? Because muscles work in pairs against each other. So contract and relax. Okay? How many muscles do we have in the body? How about Yanapat? How many muscles do we have in the body? How many? 690? Look at your book. How many? 650. It's 50, right? 650. How do you read that? How do you read that? 650 muscles in the body. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, the immune system. Everybody, immune system. Okay, so the immune system, it protects the body by destroying germs that make you sick. Highlight and underline. Immune system protects the body by destroying germs that make you sick. Okay. Highlight and underline, students. Okay, the major workhorses of the immune systems are the T cells, B cells, and phagocyte cells. Everybody repeat after me. The major workhorses of the immune system are T cells, B cells, and phagocyte cells. Okay, so those are the major workhorses of the immune system. Again, what is immune system? Can you answer me? Number 26, Natapon. Natapon, what is immune system? Okay, very good. Number Patarapong. What are the major workhorses of the immune system? What are the major workhorses of the immune system? Give me one. T cells. Okay, what else? Yanapat. What are the major workhorses of the immune system? What else? B cells. And what is the last one? Kitipom? Again? Phagocyte cells. Okay, so those are the three major workhorses. Okay, let's move on to the life and environment. Okay, life and environment. Okay, so growth and development can be divided into a number of stages. Okay, so there are stages in human growth. Okay, after birth, we go through a life cycle that includes infancy, childhood, adolescence, adult, and old age. Okay, so we will briefly talk about this. Okay, human growth. Okay, so the first one on page 10, students, page 10. So When the sperm cells and the egg cells are combined, okay, they form a zygote or the embryo. Okay, so this happen inside the reproductive system of a female, okay, or your mother. And the fetus is grown inside the uterus. Okay, so this is the fetal growth. Everybody, let's read together. When a human being develops
When a human being develops
from a single undifferentiated
from a single
undifferentiated, again, undifferentiated.
undifferentiated
Okay, let's read slowly. Undifferentiated.
undifferentiated
Undifferentiated.
undifferentiated
Very good. Cell into a large and complex organism.
cell into a large and complex organism.
Okay, very good. So that is fetal growth. Everybody, fetal growth.
Fetal growth.
Okay, it is the fetus growing inside the uterus of a female reproductive system. Very good. Next, infancy. Everybody, infancy.
Infancy.
Okay, infancy, not chimpanzee, not chimpanzee. Okay, infancy. Infancy is the period of time from our birth to 2 years of age. Okay, so from 1 month, 9 months, and to 1 year old. Up to 2 years old, okay? That is infancy. Okay, infancy is the period of time from our birth to 2 years of age. Okay, you can highlight. Highlight and underline in your books. Okay, so again, what is the stage of human growth when human being developed from a singular undifferentiated cell? What is that stage? Student. Fetal growth. What is the stage when the period of time from birth to 2 years of age? Okay, very good. Online students. So we have students. Natapong. Okay. Okay, next. Childhood. Everybody, childhood. Okay, it is roughly the period of time between infancy and adolescence. Again, it's roughly the period of time. Students. Between infancy and adolescence.
Between infancy and
Adolescence. Okay, so these are the children, okay? So like Siri, Siri is a child, okay? She is in the childhood stage, okay? So from younger, when 2 years old grow until adolescence, okay? Adolescence is where puberty happens. That is childhood. Next, adolescence. So look at the picture, look at the screen. These are adolescent stage, okay? It's the period from the beginning of puberty to maturity, okay? So just like you are in adolescence period, okay? Students, Matayong 3/2 are adolescents. You are adolescents. You are in adolescence stage. Okay, so from the beginning of puberty to maturity. This is puberty is when your hormones start changes in the body physically. You grow taller, you have hair on the face, in the armpit, and in the puberty area. That is puberty, okay? You have pimples, you have menstruation, Boys get taller, okay? It's the beginning of that until you mature. That is adolescence. Highlight and underline in the books, okay? Next is adulthood. Students, adulthood. Okay, again, adulthood. Okay, adulthood is the maturity. Maturity is the biological state or quality of being fully grown or developed. Okay, so when you graduate from school and you have to work, that is mature adulthood, because you have to work, you have to be responsible and pay bills, and you are fully developed in your brain and physically as well. Okay, you are fully grown or fully developed. That is adulthood, okay? Like your parents, okay? And me. Next is old age. Everybody, old age. Okay, this is usually somewhere between 60 to 70 years of age. Okay, older people are often referred to as elderly. Okay, between 60 to 70 years of age. Okay, it's the stage of old age. They are referred to as elderly. Okay, so let's ask the question. Number 14. Yan na, Pat. What stage of human growth is the period of time from birth to 2 years of age? What is the human growth stage from infancy, from the time of birth to 2 years of age? What is the stage from birth up to 2 years of age? What is the answer? Huh? It's the period of time from birth to 2 years old. What is the answer? Ano infancy? Funny? Infancy. Again, infancy. Yan na, Pat. Infancy. Okay, very good. Jirat, number 9. What is the stage of human growth when the period from the beginning of puberty to maturity? Adolescence. Okay. Okay, natapon. What is the human stage? Roughly the period of time between infancy and adolescence. Childhood. Okay, very good. 18, Warayus. What is the human stage when a human being developed from a single undifferentiated cell into a large and complex organism? Okay, very good. Fetal growth. Okay, how about number papangkon? What is the human stage when between 60 to 70 years of age and referred to elderly? Old age. Okay, very good. So again, patongket. What is the first stage in the human growth? What is the first stage in human growth? What is the first stage? Okay, louder. Fetal growth. Okay, very good. Okay, number kitipom. What is the second stage? What is the second stage? Again? Okay, infancy. Giraffe, what is the third stage? Childhood. Okay, Kitty, what I use? Can you give me all the stages of the human growth? From the beginning, what is the first up to last? What is the human stages? What is the first stage? Next. 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 Okay, very good. So that are the stages of the human growth. Okay, very good students. Okay, do we have time? It's 10:41. We will finish. Okay, let's have a summary. Okay, natapom. Natapom. What is the system that protects the body by destroying germs? Number 26, natapon. What is the immune system that protects by destroying germs? What is the system that protects the body? Very good. Okay, number, what I use? What is, how many muscles do we have in the body? How many muscles do we have in the body? Okay, very good. Kitipum. What is tendons? Okay, very good. How about yanapat? What system are attached to the bones? Or what are attached to the bones? What do you call that? Huh? Blank are attached to the bones. What is the answer? Blank are attached to the bones. Blank are attached to the bones. Huh? No. On page 8. Blank are attached to the bones. Huh? Muscles. Muscles. Okay, muscles. Papangkon. Okay, so muscles work in pairs. Please explain how it works against each other.
One muscle, one shorten, while the other lengthen.
Okay, very good. Giraffe. What are the major workforces of the immune system? What are the major workforces of the immune system? What are the major workforces of the immune system? You forget already, ah? T cells. Okay, those are the workforces. Okay, patarapong. What is the human stage that between 60 to 70 years of age? Old age, very good. Last, patomket. What is the human stage? Roughly the period of time between infancy and adolescence. What is the answer? What is the human stage in the period of time between infancy and adolescence? What is the answer? What? Childhood. Okay, very good. Okay, students, I think you already are all genius. You can, okay, this is the last topic for our midterm, okay? Next meeting, we will review from the beginning. Okay, we will review from the beginning. Last topic for midterm only, before exam, okay? Next week, we will review again from the start. Okay? We will review on page 1 again, before your midterm test. Okay? So, any questions, students? Any questions? Okay, how about the online students? No? Okay. Okay, students, page 14. Can you open your book on page 14? Page 14. Let's answer your book. Okay, quick quiz 1. Look at the diagrams on the previous page and draw a line from the organ to the system it is in. Some organs may be in 2 systems. Okay, so you have the organs, okay, the body organs in the body, and you have to match. Okay, so some organs may be in 2 system. Okay, lungs. What is lungs? Where can you find in the lungs? What system? What system is the lungs? Breathing. We use for breathing, right? What system is breathing? Okay, find it in your book. What system is for lungs? Okay, so respiratory system. You match lungs to the respiratory system. Match lungs to respiratory system. Oy, students, you need to all do because I will check your book. Lungs, respiratory. Next, brain. How about the brain? What system? We just talked about that, right? The brain gives signals to the body. What system is that? What system? Nervous system. Okay, brain, you match to nervous system. What else? What else? Brain also, we also have gland system in the brain, right? Or you can also match brain to gland system. Next, thyroid. Where is thyroid? Where can you find? What system? When you put food, when you eat food, what is that? There's gland system or gland system and digestive system. Okay, thyroid can be found in also respiratory because we also use thyroid for breathing, right? How about tendons? Okay, online students, you can please also do your book. Are you doing your book? I told you to do your book. Where is the answer? Here is the answer. Lungs. When to respiratory. Next. How about the brain? Where is the brain? Okay, how about thyroid? We can connect to gland system, to respiratory, and also tendons. Where is tendons connected? Muscular system. Okay, muscle system. Tendons. Bones. There's bones. Skeletal system. How about artery? Where can you find artery?
Circulatory system.
Okay, circulatory system. How about uterus? You can find in. Okay, so you can finish that or we can continue on next meeting, all right? So leader?
Put your hands together, please. Thank you, teacher. See you again next week.
Okay, thank you online and on-site students. Goodbye. Okay.